Yung pag naling boses mo, hindi makakumita yun. Eh, Katon, tanong ko. Gano'n kabigat yun, yung ginagawa yung body ko? Ha? 1.5 kg. 1 kg. Gabay ka sa akin. Ayun, meron. Biglang magkano magkakaroon. Pero may pangkadyon, pinagawa ko yung good luck. Okay, game, tara. Okay, this is now the final game sa ating season elimination na po natin po dyan. Idol Tabs, kamusta po kayo dyan? Between now, of course, si Serial, of course, thank you po, Sornilia. Good luck po sa inyo, good luck po sa iyo. Okay, tara. This is now the final game po sa ating season. Sa ating season.
Yung mga tropa ko sa Oryx, sila Sir Albert, Sir RJ, Kuya Ivan,
Okay.
Kuya Dex, Sir Alain. Kita-kits po tayo soon.
Okay.
Papawag po tayo sa Baro A.
Baro muli. Okay. Tara. Okay. Ito po ang
Pati mo
final.
kami tinanong sino gusto namin makalaban.
Tinanong ko.
Tinanong mo?
Oh.
Wala.
Kahit sino na, surprise me na lang. Sabi nila, surprise me. Sabi nila.
The final game of the elimination.
Okay, this is the final game of the elimination po. Kasama ko yung ating tropang guwapings ng CAS.
Yon!
Wala, minus 1.
Kanto.
Ayan na. Okay, Hornilia. Okay, ito, maganda po ang ano po dito, ang stipulation dito. Ha? Pag nanalo ang ang cabin line, yung number 8 is secured na. Pero may pero. Pag natalo ang cabin line, yun, mukhang makakaroon pa na win over the other scenario pa tayo. Kaya, let's see now kung ano mangyari po. Another 40 minutes po tayo of basketball action. Final game po sa ating final season elimination po. Yan po ang cabin line versus the Freighters. Okay, tara, laban na. Again, Real. Uy, teka lang. Ang score po natin po, Freighters 2, cabin line 1, Falsis. Napal po, again, si Tabs. Si Tabs po yan, si Tabs. Now to Falsis again, number 19, Falsis. Pinasa kay Hornila. Tabile, si Tabs to Falsis. Ayun! Nandun! Ayun lang, mali pasa. Ayun din! Ayun lang, hindi na control. Kobe. Rep, okay na sa kanya? Rep, yung salamin, okay na sa kanya?
Delikado kasi yan, may frame.
Kaya nga. Yata lang. Ayun lang. Uy! Last touch. Okay, Freighters ball as per referee. Freighters ball as per referee po tayo. Okay, call overruled now. Call overruled now. It's cabin line ball now. Cabin line ball. And now si Kobe. Kobe, driving show. Gang by Kobe. Pinasa agad kay Arroyo. Kano lang. Traveling violation ng Arroyo. Binabamawala si Tabs, Tabile. Tabs now to Falsis na ipe to Hornila, pops up dope. Ayaw, Tabile. Wala. Kobe naka-rebound. Kobe double team already now to Arroyo driving show. Uy. Falsis naman. Falsis. Tabile. Wala rin. Good ball. Binatong bola. Enzo. Arroyo. Naiwan. 2 points.
3-2 on score.
8-3-2 po tayo. Change favor na po tayo now. Cabin line now on the run. Already. Sir Martin, nanalo po bang Predators? Yes, it's a possibility po. Magkakaroon po tayo ng win over the scenario po tayo. Falses, 2 points. Pero alam po natin yan, maglalabas po ng final ang committee po after this game. Final standing po. Enzo. Adja, tanggol. Ang tanggol. Enrique is watching. Balik tayo. Ito na. Curve, Kobe. Kobe naipit. Kobe. Ayun. Tanggol. Ayun. Enzo. Foul. Ouch.
Foul committed on jersey number 19, Falses.
Falses. Called for the foul. Enzo number 8. Shooting for 2. Enrique is watching. JB is watching. Pops up. Wala. Second shot. Jumper shot. Itabla po ang laban. Nagsisintas pa. Okay. Second shot. Para itabla ang laban. Enzo. Pops up. Tapos. 3-4 pa rin. 7:22 remaining. 7:22 remaining. Now, Hornilla for the inbound. Pinasa kay Falses. To Hornilla again. Hornilla. Scott is watching. Nakabisay, boss. Kuya. Hornilla. Tabile. Naipit. Tabile mo rin. Pops up. Palpal. Out of bounds.
2 seconds to shoot.
2 seconds. Catch and shoot na to. Catch and shoot. Catch and shoot. Catch and shoot. Catch and shoot. Foul!
On jersey number 18,
Kirk called for the foul.
to be awarded.
Tabile, bibigyan ng 3 free throws po kay Tabile. Tabs. 3 free throws po awarded kay Tabs. Tabile, first shot. Wala. Tabile, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Tabile, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. 7 minutes remaining. First quarter action on the way. Pops up. Wala na. Wala pa rin. Last shot. May sakit. Kagagaling ko sa sakit daw. Sabagay. Kagagaling ko sa sakit. Sabi sa comment niya kanina. Ha? Ito naman tayo. Arroyo. Falses. Ayun. Fadeaway shot. Balakas. One more time. Ayan na. Falses. Ayun si Tabile. 2 points again. Shoutout kay Christian Tan, sabi ni Babagay. JB, naipit. Ayan na, eto naman siya. Whoop, Tabile, foul.
Second personal foul,
Kobe again, pangalawa po ni Kobe na po yan. Second personal foul ni Kobe already. 6:24 remaining. 3-6 ang score po natin. Laman po ang Freighters. Okay, magandang nakataya dito. Cabin line, alam na po natin yan. Nakapasok na po yan. Pero, mangyayari po dyan, pag natalo pong cabin line, magkakaroon po ng win over na scenario po. At yun nakasecure po sa number 8, as of now, posibleng baka out of win over na po is mapalitan. Kaya, cabin line should win this ball game pa para masecure na po yung standing po natin yun. Kaya, Predators po ngayon, also, if you win po, meron silang chance din. Para sa win over the scenario. Oh! Win over the
ball
scenario.
remains, shot clock at 11.
Tara daw, Suk.
11 seconds to shoot.
Shout kay Christian. Enzo. Nawala kay Tabile bola. Tabile. Tabile, nagmamadali. Tabile.
Tabile, pass to Falsis.
Nope. Binato bola kay Kobe. Kobe. Enzo, malakas ang pasa. 5:40 remaining. Balik. Tabile, Tabs.
Tabile.
Tabs.
Kuya.
Kuya. Naipit. Pops up. Wala. Rebound again. Kobe. Pinasa. I don't care. Take it. God bless. Ayun si Kuya. Kuya, binabang ang bola.
Jezebel.
Papamakdo ba ako? Meron akong pasok. May pasok ako, sir.
Possession tayo.
From 11 p.m. hanggang umaga. Cornelia to Tabs. Tabs 23. Aniel Lipit is watching.
10 shot.
Ayun lang, Palsi sa ilalim. Palpal! Burado. Nando si pa. Ayun, traveling violation call. Okay, change rin po tayo. Boss, meron kang pasok, boss. Ano yung generator namin, ma'am niya? Itatend namin. Sa Mushirib. White ball. Okay, white ball. Of course, nandiyan po si number 2, si number 0, si Orvilla, si Ben Sikin, si 10, of course si David nandiyan na rin. Kabila ng 4, nandiyan po, of course nandiyan si 27, Arsenal, si Romero, nakagad. Nagmamadali kasi to, si Esquivel, 2 points Esquivel. Ayan na, balik po tayo. Pops up, ayaw. Romero, Pap Reyes, naipit. Pops up, no good. Colanto, ayan na, naiyo mag-isa. 3-on-1 si Arsenal, wala. No foul. May paso, boss. And now, David, no good. Reyes, 2 points. Esquivel, David, eto na, pops up. Uy, malakas. Ano pa? Hindi pa calibrated. George probably for us watching. Flores, parang di kita nakita rito David again. Esquivel, David, pops up. Wala pa rin. Malamig pa rin si David sa amin nila. Ayan na po tayo. Reyes driving. Arsenal. Pops up number 4. Traveling called. Traveling violation called. Number 15. Number 0. 3 minutes remaining. David, pinasa. Esquivel, pops up. Tapos, one more time. Esquivel ulit. Bangga, bumangga sa pader. Nawala ang bola. Kaya na naman sila. On the top po ang Team Sky Blue. Foul si Daisy.
Foul committed on
Number
number 0.
0 called for the foul.
Penalty.
And penalty situation now for Team Cabin Line. Pops up, Reyes. Out. Marshall. David! Bang! Ayun na. Let's go, Puero. Sabi ni Kiano ni Chris Flores. Troy Long is watching. Romero, Arsenal. Eto na tayo. Romero. Out. Colanto, palpal niya. Nice block by Colanto. Pinabang bola. And now, David again for 3. Bang! Ito na. Same sweet spot of David. At nagtama ta po ang Kaang Raiders. Balik po tayo. Sige po. Eto na. Gantay po tayo ng ng 1:55 remaining. Matatapos na po ating first quarter action. Pickle ball na. Nasa pupunta to? Okay now, Valdez, binababa ang bola. Reyes. Esquivan, nakalusot. Reyes may foul. Kanino? At Barrientos called for the foul.
Second foul. Penalty.
Reyes, first shot. Pasok. Second shot, wala.
Foul committed on jersey number 22, Romero. Warning for penalty, Raiders.
Raiders, magkuha na po penalty po tayo dyan. No good! Rovilla almost had it.
Both teams and penalty.
Tapos. Again. Wala. Wala pa rin. Wala pa rin.
Foul. Ramirez. Personal foul. Both teams and penalty.
Again, wala pa rin. Uy, na ano? Grabe elimination called.
1 minute and 10 seconds.
Colanto.
David.
No good. Colanto, naka-rebound. Hindi, foul called.
Foul on jersey number 2, Colanto. Esteban, roll-up play.
No good.
Rebound, Valdez.
Foul!
Jersey number 21, Valdez. 36 seconds.
Again. David.
10 shot
David,
clock.
binabantayan kanyang posisyon. Nag-screen. Pops up.
5 to shoot.
Look. Rebound.
Rebound Valdez. Game left 20 seconds. Arsenal.
Ayan na naman sila. Arsenal.
Roll-up play.
Damn! Long to lang daw. Long to lang. Long to. Yun lang.
5 seconds.
Reyes. Hindi na control. And wala na.
First quarter.
Balik tayo. Who's ball rep?
Second quarter, deadline ball. Ulit. Pass the ball. Basket.
Basket made.
1 point lead. One shot.
No good. Bullet. Landon.
There.
Tanggol. Pops up. Foul.
Foul committed on jersey number 24, Valera. Foul from behind.
Okay, foul.
Jersey number 7.
Tanggol called for the foul. Tanggol ang tabag tanggol called for the foul. Again, 9-12 po tayo. 13-9, 13-14. Marami nakaangkla po dito sa larong ito. Pops up, 18. Wala, kapos. Uy! Wrong pass. Bala, kumapit, pumasok.
Basket for Bolin.
Eight to 5 remaining. 15-16. Laman pa rin po ang Freighters. Tanggol. Long pass. Ay, thank you. Salamat. Nakano tayo. Okay.
13 shot clock. Down to 10.
Foul! Pasensya po, may tumatawag po kasi.
Foul committed on jersey number 5.
Alvin Igo is watching. Naka-duty at si Sir Alvin. Wala yung yung pinaka-big man nila, si Alvin Ico. Okay, Bala.
1 point lead.
Bala o si Bullet po, number 9, shooting for 2 at 6:18 remaining. Pops up, pasok. Second shot. Boom. Wala.
Samantala with the rebound. Last touch by Kobe. Minutes remaining.
Sixteen all po tayo. 16 all. Bala. Bala number 9.
Back to Kahayo.
Kahayo, number 18.
Ayan. Kobe.
Kobe! Wala.
Dominic.
Wala pa rin.
Ruiz.
Ruiz, nagmamali si Ruiz. Ruiz lefty. 16 all tayo, sir. Second quarter action. Baba kay Julius, 16 all tayo. No good.
Foul on Kahayo.
Kayang call for a foul.
Last possession tayo.
Mempin, driving. Wala. Foul. Mempin.
Foul on Pimpin.
Foul on Mempin.
Change unit. Pimpin first personal foul, 30 foul. Third team foul.
Okay, David.
14.
David for the inbound. Ito na. 5:05 remaining. 16 all tayo. Okay. Arroyo driving. Kirk, position. Foul.
Reyes. First personal. Warning for penalty.
Again, Arroyo.
Esquivel going to three.
No good.
Ball will be awarded to Raiders. Davide, pass to Reyes, pass to Pura, Ordina!
Ormina, wala. Rebound, David. David naka-rebound. David. Double team kagad. Ayun. Yun lang.
Missing the shot. Reyes with the rebound. Reyes two. Pass to Francis.
Passes 2 points. Jolens. Cornila. David. Binabantay na. David, ang ng pick. Ayun, rap play. 2 points.
Counter basket. Deadlock. 18 all.
Sote tayo. Tablados.
Reyes, full of change.
Nope. Rebound, battle won by number 18 again. Esquivel, number 15.
Esquivel defended by Reyes.
Esquivel to David, driving shot.
Rovilla.
Bang! Dalawa. 21-18. Ito na, lumama na ang Hop!
Warning on jersey number 23.
23 warning, call for warning.
Timeout.
Okay, Freighters na call for the timeout. Hindi pwede naman paputukin po ang bumibirado sa kabina, kundi mawawala sila. Tangkilang tayo.
Warning on jersey number 23.
Okay, Ronilia, number 27, binababa ang bola.
Kuya.
David. Foul bait.
Foul on jersey number 13.
Jersey number 13, call for a foul, David. Kuya, call for a foul, David, number 10, shooting for 2.
Basketball team.
Second shot. Kid.
2-point lead for Kevin Line. Sorry, 5-point lead.
5 point lead po tayo, 5 point lead. Wala. Rovilla ng rebound. Yun lang. David. Nando Sornilla. Pinasa kay Tabile. Ayun. Kuya. 2 points.
3-point lead. Two minutes.
Foul!
There's a foul.
Foul called.
Foul committed on jersey number 27. Timeout, Kevin Line.
Cabinet call for the timeout. Balik tayo. Okay.
2 minutes, second quarter.
Arroyo.
Arroyo.
Esquivel. Wala. Low foul. Binato bola kay Palsis na. Palsis. Jolens again. Palsis.
1-point lead.
Ramon Gutierrez, Corpo Sir. 23-22. Laman po ang cabin line. Isa. David again. Foul.
There's a foul on Tabile.
Tabile called for the foul.
Foul committed on jersey number 23. Penalty.
Penalty situation, Team Freighters.
Making the first quarter lead. We're on the 2. Fourteen shots up. David. defending guard Davide. Crossover. Solo yun!
Pass is called for the foul.
Good call. Second personal foul on Francis. One minute, 4 seconds, second quarter.
Next. Pops up. It's out. 25-22. 1:04 remaining. Halftime tayo. Second shot. In.
Basket for Arroyo.
Apat po ang kalamangan. Reyes. Reyes.
55 seconds.
Tabile.
14 shot clock.
Reyes. Nice shot by Reyes.
Basket. 40 seconds.
Pops up. Nope. David. Oh, miss. Hindi. May nagbabantay. Yan si Kuya. 26-24. Reyes. Reyes. Tabile. Ayun, Orila. 2 points. Tablados tayo. 26. 26 tablados po tayo. 26 tablados.
50.
Binabantay rin si David.
10 seconds.
Arroyo. 3-second violation.
3 seconds violation. 5 seconds remaining.
5 seconds. Tabile, babato na niya. Binato nga. Nice. Falses. Cornila. Wala na. Ano ba? Not counted, sabi ng referee.
All 26 is our
Okay,
score.
tara. Halftime tayo. Ay, dulog. Halftime po tayo. Halftime po tayo. Halftime. Okay, halftime po tayo yun. Lamang po. Ano po ang score natin, sir? Wala. 26 all tayo. Tablados tayo. 26 all po tayo. Tablados. Back to 0 po lahat po. After 2 quarters tayo. Yan. Hey! Hey! class. Okay, ano nangyari? Nakabilangan yata. Sino mas marami?
One free throw will be awarded for Raiders.
Okay, mas marami doon freighters. 1 free throw awarded po.
Jersey number 16.
Number 16. Number 16 po will take a shot for freighters. Mas marami doon kasi sila ng isa.
One free throw will be awarded.
Okay. Mempin, number 16.
Okay, basket.
Pasok.
Third quarter, ball will be awarded to Raiders.
Okay, Ruiz. Okay, binato na. Ruiz again. Para ano.
Luis.
Okay, Ruiz. Kick pass. Palpal. Good ball. Uy, butik na. Oh, balik tayo na, balik tayo.
Kobe.
Kobe. Arroyo.
Arroyo.
Pops number 3. Kasi sir ba, may tumawag na naman.
Foul on jersey number 18.
Stepping on the line.
Nasa labas na.
Magka-cut pro kasi muna po tayo ha. Dahil si Beno, meron kasi yung tatawagan kasi importante. Maraming salamat po. Store.
Time out. Early time out. Raiders.
Okay, tama po na po tayo. 26-27. Okay, nakabalik muli po tayo. Pasensya na po ha. Pasensya na po. Again, silba yung ano ba? Ayan naman siya. Number 16. Wala. Foul. Foul on tanggol for sure. Tanggol for the foul. Number 16. Pops off. Out. Second shot. It's out. Foul.
There's a foul. Jersey number
27 pushing foul gold. 26-29 lamang na muli po ang Freighters. Freighters trying to squeeze its way sa kanilang ano. Again, Ruiz. Ruiz, alisot. Ruiz, Jolens, wala.
Rebound,
Tanggol, nagkapagtanggol. Tanggol. Nandun si Esquivel, nalusot, nawala ang bola kay Esquivel. Ayun lang, malakas. Pasensya na po, napunta ng broadcast kasi natin. Dahil si meron kong tinawag na importanteng tao. Jeffrey is watching. Maraming salamat po, sir. 5:22 remaining po tayo. 5:22 remaining po. Nag-time up po ang cabin line. Ito, maganda po ito. If cabin and loss, Freighters po, posible makapasok po as number 8. Virtue of win over another. If not, yung number 8 po, na perceived to be, that's Mechanicos, will stay as number 8. Kaya maganda, kaya matindi na kataya po dito. Okay, maraming salamat po. And of course, announcement din po ha. Walang quarterfinals sumaganap pa hanggat hindi po nakapagbayad po ang lahat po ng koponan sa ating palarong Aviation Friend League, the Basa Flying League. Ayon po yan po sa pamunan po ng ligang ito.
Romero.
Romero, 2 points again. Okay. Lamang na naman. 5. Adala. Bala. Uy, sayang. No foul. Tabile, wala. Palpal.
There's a foul. There's number 88.
Revilla. Mempin for the shot. Pops up. Pasok. Mukhang second shot. Mempin. Jumper. Shueri. Pops up. Pasok pareho.
Substitution.
Saan muna po tayo? Now, si Real. Papasok muna para kay Bala. Okay, David pinasok na rin. Kinakala ng fresh legs ngayon. Esquivel. Revilla. Bang shot made. Kinakala ibang pumutok din po para po sa cabin line. Dahil kasi pag oras sa si David lang, matbabantayin siya kagad. Kaya ito, si Revilla pumuputok na. Mempin, wala. Rebound, Barrow, 1 by. Cabin boys. Tanggol, Esquivel. Out of bounds. Walang tawag. David. Up. Red ball daw sabi, red ball. Maroon ball. State University colors. State U. David. Cabin line again. Real. Ayun lang. Tanggol na tabag tanggol. Hindi, kay David muna. David, driving. Floated shot. Nope. Rebound Barrow, 1 by. White ball. 29-33 score po natin. 4 na po ang kalamangan. At 3:36 remaining. Tabile, minamadali. Tabile, driving strong.
Pass na Mempin.
Ramirez. Wala. Rebound, tanggol. David again. David for 3. Malakas. Tanggol. Wala pa rin.
Rebound Reyes. Pass to Tabile.
Tabile. Palpal. Uy. Foul. Laman po ang Predators, Mr. JB ng 4, 29-33 at 2:58 remaining third quarter action.
Tanggol, second personal foul, warning for penalty.
Out. Siya, wala pa rin.
Defend grabbing his own miss.
Reyes.
And shot.
Nice one by Arroyo. Arroyo nagmamadali. Pero may nagbabantay. Foul!
Penalty. First personal foul, Arroyo.
Okay, penalty situation po tayo. Tabile shooting for 2 again. 29-33. Looking to extend the lead to 6 points. Pops up. Pasok. Second shot, jumper shot po tayo para kay Tabile. At 2:46 remaining. Malayo pa yan. For both teams. Pops up. Both basket made. 2:45 remaining.
2 minutes, 45 seconds. 5-point lead.
Raiders binababa ang bola. Ayan na. David. Ayan naman. Mentin, tapos. Foul.
Foul on jersey number 23.
29-35, 2:28 remaining, official score. Balik tayo. Balik tayo dito. Cabin line. Needs this win to avoid the number 1 for sure. Tanggol. Nawala pa. Pushing foul.
Jersey number
They go for a push.
Warning for penalty. Substitution.
Arroyo. 2 points. No foul. 4 point po. Louis Manlances, si Paredes papasok dyan sa cabin. Kuya.
14 shot clock.
Ruiz. Ruiz to Tabile. Tabile. Pops up. Wala. Real, nagmamadali. Real.
Real pass to David.
David, blocked shot. No goal, malakas. Uy! Balimpasa. Esquivel, 31-35. David, binabantay ng yung kanyang yung kanyang sweet spot. He has to adjust now.
10 shot clock.
Tanggol. Kick pass. Pops up. Nope. Arroyo. Wala. Real. Pinato agad. David. Yun lang.
11 seconds to shoot.
11 seconds remaining. 11 seconds to shoot.
11 seconds.
Pinatayin tayong AC. Arroyo. Arroyo. Arroyo.
5.
Esquivel. Tanggol. Ayun lang.
50 seconds remaining. 24 seconds violation.
Tabile.
40 seconds.
Tabile. Nagmamadali. Tabile. Nope. It's Ruiz. Pops up. Bang!
30 seconds.
30 seconds remaining. Esquivel. Tanggol. Foul!
16. Jersey number 16.
Jersey number 16 called for the foul. Tanggol.
14 penalty.
Tanggol number 7 shooting for 2.
Second personal foul. Mipin.
Mentin called for the foul.
20 seconds. Team clock.
Binatayin tayong AC. Grabe. Pops up ng goal. Pasok. Eto na. Apat na naman. Apat. Tao-tao sila. Sabi, tao-tao daw. Tao-tao. Binatong bola. Nandun siya. Falses. 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 Tumala ang bola. 9 seconds.
5 seconds.
Pin. Nope. Rebound. And after 3 quarters po, lamang pa namatay.
Official score on that 37. 35.
Nag-reset.
33. Sorry.
This is your Aviation Event Doubles of Flying League. Of course, ito pa ating mga sponsors po natin. Dahil din sa Team LBC ang napadala, sa po na po din ang ang PSBQ and of course SBB Ara. Dahil sa ating Season 5 participants, Hub, Cabin Line, Orange Basketball League, Orange Basketball, Toleros, Airport United, CAS, Implies, Mechanicals, nandito po ang Sky Team, Freighters, and QR Towers. This is the final game of the final day of the eliminations. This is the being played between Cabin Line and Freighters. Lamang po ang Freighters po ng 33-37. Cabin Line has to win this to finish strong. Para ma-avoid po yung medyo malakas sa mga kalaban po nila sa quarterfinals. And of course, ang Freighters din po, of course, papasok din to kung manalo siya. Tansya ko lang. Palpal! Let's see.
Ball will remain, shot clock 16.
Alvin Icos watching. Ariel Amampang Jackson is watching. Papsa po dyan, nandun na sundot. Ayun na si Hornelia, nandun papsa, pasok ang bola. Number 21, 2 points. Again, Esquivel. David, naiwan mag-isa. Wala. Hornelia naka-rebound. 33-39, anim po kalamangan. Reyes, kapos. Reyes muli, malakas. Tanggol, 2-on-2, tanggol. Wala. David. And one play kay David. Hindi lang pang malayuan, pang siksikan pa. Yan si David. 2 points. 8:50 remaining. Hornelia called for a foul. 35-39. Apat pong kalamangan. David. Pops up. Out. David. Miss. Pasok. 4-point play ang ginawa niya. Yun lang. Foul. 4-point play ginawa ni David. Ay pala ng 3-point play. 4-point play ginawa niya. 8:35 remaining po tayo. 8:35 remaining. Hornelia. Reyes. Number 3-second violation. Sayang. 8:28 remaining. (37-39), 8:28 remaining. Malayloy pa yan. We have seen an alternative basketball remaining para sa larong ito. 8:22 remaining. Esquivel. Ayun! Walang, no foul. Reyes on the attack. Reyes, ayun, kuya. Wala. Rebound. Stepping on the line. Kobe. Salamin niya. Plastic yata rin. Sabi nila plastic daw. May frame. Hop. Romero thinking 3. Ayaw. Romero. Naipit. Wala. Rebound. Esquivel. Ginababang bola. Esquivel. 2 points Esquivel. Tablado na naman tayo. At 39 all. 7:41 remaining. Reyes again. Nakalusot. Turn around. Nope. Iskulan. Lost the ball.
Substitution.
7:31 remaining. Okay, papasok po ng mga shock troopers ng Freighters. Yan po si Falsis and company. Falsis will go now sa forward position. I think 1-2-2. Yata ang nila. 1-2-2. Ay, hindi.
39 all.
2-3.
David
for 3 again. Wala pa rin. Falsis. Uy. Hop. Falsis again. Falsis. Nakalusot si Falsis. Pinasa. Pops up. 2 points again. Tanggol. Nagmamalis ng tanggol. Tanggol! Foul! Ang laking pader nun.
Jersey number 21.
21 called for a foul. That's Valdez.
Third personal foul.
Double wall. Grabe. Saka na, may tore ka na, may pader ka pa. Ay, sa preto sa tayo. Okay, tanggol number 7. First shot. Pasok.
Basket Contador.
Tanggol number 7 to tie the ball game. Tanggol number 7 to tie the ball game. Pasok pareho. Tabla na naman. Ito naman tayo. David, binabantay na ang kanyang ball handler. Nasa tabi naman ng isang goal. Double pin agad. Ayun sa ilalim. Mempin 2 points. No foul. Ronilla. Malakas. Surilia. Getting the miss. Wala pa rin. Ronilla na naman. Foul. What?
Third personal foul. Third team down.
3 possession on 1 person on that play alone by Cornelia. Grabe. And now, title pa tayo na si Colanto. Colanto for the inbound now. Colanto for the inbound. Inbound is Colanto. Colanto for the inbound. Colanto. Ayun. Kobe. Labas mo na rin niya. Kobe to Colanto. Uy! Sayada.
Time out.
Yun lang. Perez go for the timeout. Harold James Cabal Glumao is watching. Maraming salamat po sa aking mga viewers po right now po. 13 strong lower bills po natin ngayon dito. Ito, maganda kasi panahon po ito dahil kasi both teams wanted to go in sa quarterfinals. Yung isa, nakapasok na, pero they want to go further po, deeper sa quarterfinals to avoid yung strong possible opponent po sa laglagang portion natin. Of course, yung Rangers naman, of course, kaya nandun pumasok po dito to force a win over another situation po sa ibang mga kupunan na namakatay po nila. Yan. And quarters now. Tabile. Scott is watching. Good boy, sir. Reyes, wala. Pinasa. Ayun. Kuya. Pa. Travel na pala, sorry. Travel na pala kay Kuya. Bala. Pinasok kami si Bala. Bala, sir. Eto na, 5:58 remaining po tayo. 41-43. Tanggol. Saan pupunta Tanggol? Uy, saya! Hindi handa. (41-43) Ayan na naman. David, binapatay sa tabile. David, hinaras na. Eto na. Oh, ayun, mali. Kuya, muntik pa. Tabile, palpal si Mimpin, Real, Bala, bato mo na daw, sabi nila. Ayun na, si Falses, shake and pick. Falses, naipit na. Tabile, sabi nga, teka lang, sabi, Tabile. Okay, ako bahala dito, Tabile says. Kuya, pops up, Falses, pagkapos, out of bounds, red ball or maroon ball. Bola, kanyang bola yan. It's crucial. Oh! Crucial yung laro, wag yung mananin yan. Bala, nakawala. Uy, foul call. Warning for penalty. Bala says no. Hindi siya shooting foul. Hindi shooting foul daw. Kuya, 4:24 remaining. Scott is watching. Chris Bro is watching. Enrique is watching also. Sige, pasok kayo sa aking tahanan. Eto na po tayo. Tanggol. Bala! Bala! 2 points! Nice cut by Bala. Tabili mo na, tabili. Double team na. Nakawala sa tabili. Nawala, ayun si Bala. Nandun. Tanggol. David. Reyes. Tanggol, David. Uy, sayang. Di pa rin. Wala pa rin pulso niya. Go! 23, sabi ni Lipata. Yes, sirree. Sige. 3:40 na remaining. Mukha mag-overtime yata tayo dito, mga boss.
14 Shaka.
Touch pass, kuya. Inararo. Teka lang. Traveling violation ko.
Substitution.
$40 remaining. 43 all. Both teams wants to win. Wanted to go further. So they just want to go to the quarterfinals. Sino pong yung pipiliin ngayon? 43 all po tayo. 3:38 remaining. 3:37 remaining. Tanggol. Ang tabag tanggol. Binababa ang bola. Tanggol. David, pumaposisyon. David now. Ayun, kay Real. Pinasa. Arroyo. Malakas. Falsis na naman. Falsis, Mempin. Ayun. Mempin. Wala. Take 2.
Foul committed on jersey number 10, Real. First personal foul, second team
Woo!
foul.
It's getting hot here. Grabe. It's getting hot in here already. Okay, now Mempin. First shot. Wala.
Again, missing the first.
Balas magdasal. Second shot. Jumper steady po tayo. Mempin, second throw. Jumper steady po tayo. 3:13 remaining. 43 all po tayo.
Pressure pass and free throw.
Second throw, Mempin. Pops up. Wala pareho. Oy! Early entry by the referee. Sabi niya. Bola kaagad po sa cabin line. Cabin line wants to go deeper. While Freitas want to go to the party ng Elite 8. Malalaman po natin yan after 3-0 may kumakapasok sila hindi. Ramirez, David. Ayun lang, Real. 2 points, Real. Nice one. Oy! Uy! Ayan na naman tayo. Tabile, 2:15 na remaining. Tabile, binabantay ni Tanggol. Nice steal! Ito na naman tayo, David, 2 points. Yes, 2 points nga.
Time out! Freitas!
Okay, at 2:38 remaining. Freitas not trailing behind by 4 points, 47-43. Ayan, first score po natin ha. 47-43 po yan. Freitas trailing behind by 4 points already. Okay, kinakalabit ko lang. Okay, yan. Grabe, it's getting hot yun. Grabe. It's getting hot yun already sa Intan Laro. Grabe.
38 seconds. 4-point lead.
Again. 2:38 remaining. Cabin line wants to go further sa Elite 8. Our freighter says, I want to come to join to the party. Yan ang ano po, nakasibrate po ngayon dito sa larong ito. Freighters again, Tabile, no, it's Ruiz, lalabas pa, hindi, natap. David again, nakalangaw, David again. Ayun, tanggol! 2 points, tanggol! Again, wala ang bola kay Tabile. Foul! Tapilok. Tapilok. Magkakat-progress po tayo, sir. Pag ano. Pagpag. Pagpag mo, tanggol, pagpag mo. Ipagpag mo. Bukas yata, meron siklib yata bukas. Nandiyan ko. May siklib yata bukas, may siklib.
Substitution.
Who's pa rep?
Ref, sino foul?
Ha?
Foul penalty.
Memping called for the foul.
Penalty yan, penalty.
Kung kaya ka no, magre-rig ako dito. Rig up ako.
Fifteen foul yan, penalty.
Mukhang number 7, cabin line, Sir Martin. Yes. The bid first shot, wala pa rin. Panalo do. Wala pa. Wag muna po tayong bilog po ang bola, sir. 2:04 remaining. May mga shooters po ang freighters din. Mga 3-point shooters din. Pops up the bid. Yes, sir. 5 kalamangan. Ayan na po tayo, Ruiz. Julius ba? By dulog subit. Yes. Mukha nga lang. By dulog subit po talaga.
Cabin line.
Tama po. Cabin line po. Cabin line. One minute 35 remaining po tayo. 50-46 po tayo. 50-46. Laman po ng 4 ang freighters over cabin line. 50-46 po tayo. Freighters trailing behind by 4 points po para po sa cabin line. Okay, tara. Final 1:35 remaining. Intercepted. White ball.
Last touch.
White ball, sabi ng referee. White ball. Okay. Call overturned. Call overruled. It's red ball or maroon ball. 1:31 remaining. The bid. Sino babasahan mo? Uy! Ayun na. Naman na bola. Foul called.
Penalty yan.
Bell situation po ngayon ng cabin line. So,
Foul on the wings.
ang freighters bell situation. Esquivel 15. Pisikalan. Ay! Sabi naman langit. Pops up. Out. Isa pa. Gusto mo pa lang. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Out! Ayun lang. Pops up. 2 points.
Substitution.
Substitution tayo. Sino? Romero, labas muna raw para kita bili. 1:22 remaining. Ruiz. 52-46. Anim ang kalamangan.
6-point lead.
Ruiz. Tabile for 3.
Bumaba ng 3.
Wala. Rebound battle. One by the white shirts. Same ball po tayo. Same ball. Raiders, Ruiz. Ayun lang. Mempin, wala. One more time. Reyes. And what they made! Reyes says hindi pa po tabi.
Foul committed on jersey number 8.
Sabi ni Reyes, hindi pa tapos ang laban.
Second.
52-48. 57 seconds remaining. Reyes
Fourth
needs
personal foul.
to deal the shot.
Substitution.
Oh, uwi na. Romero, number 22. Romero. Okay, pinasok muna. Reyes pops up. Out. Rebound battle won by Falses.
Arroyo.
Tagal. Nice D. Nando si Falses. Out of bounds.
Bench po, bench.
Bench siguro, please. Upo po tayo. Upo tayo.
5 seconds. Kobe.
Up. Foul.
Ball jersey number 24. 50 personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Kobe, 5 personal foul, graduate, 1 offense po ang team, cabin line.
Jersey number 24.
Real, papasok na para kay Kobe.
34 seconds.
52-48, laman po ng apat, 52-48 po. Ito na, tabile for 3, ayaw. 3-second violation. Ayun lang.
30 seconds.
30 seconds remaining, binatong bola. Arroyo. Esquivel. Naipit. Bala. Up! Foul! I think, eto na, kompleto na. Lumilino na po sa aking bolang kristal ang final 8 po natin. 16 seconds remaining. Real, number 10, shooting for 2. Pops up. Stepping on the line.
Stepping on the line.
Second shot, Real. 16 seconds remaining. Pula po, sa pula po tayo, sir. Pula. Sa pula tayo, sa pula. Real, second shot. Out, rebound. Romero, nagmamadali. Ruiz. Reyes, out. Bala. Foul.
3 seconds remaining.
Cabin line. Nananan 3 seconds remaining, 52-48. Laman po ng apat pa rin po ang cabin line over Freighters. Bala shooting for 2. Bala, pasok. Second shot, Bala, jumper Sherry. Out. Okay, that's it. Okay, final score 53-48 po tayo. Maraming salamat po. This concludes sa ating elimination round po natin. Winning now, it's cabin line. Final score 53-48. Thank you very much. Antay po tayo sa posting po ng maging schedule po ng quarterfinals.